Okay, so hi everyone, welcome. I'm Cherry. My name is Cherry, and I am the head of customer support department here at Universal. Well, thank you so much everyone for joining. Today's webinar is about invoicing. Our title is Invoicing Made Easy for Small Businesses. So, also with me today is Mark, our Universal's invoicing expert, who will actually walk you through a live demonstration later and show you how easy it is to create and send invoices using our platform. But of course, first, let's talk about a problem we all know too well as business owners: invoicing delays, follow up chaos, and lost time. Does that all sound familiar? Well, let's see how Universal is changing that story. Now, first, here's what we'll cover today. We'll look at everyday invoicing struggles of small businesses. Then I'll go ahead and show you how Universal solves them with automation, CRM sync, and payment tools all in one dashboard. Plus, Mark will also show you how it works in real time. And we'll finish with pricing, offers, and open Q&A questions or question and answer portion as well. So drop any questions in the chat if you have any, and we're here for you. Now, at any point during the session, feel free to drop your questions in the chat. If something's unclear or if you want to dive deeper, we've got you covered. You can also contact us after the session or book a one-on-one demo for personalized help. No worries about that. Now, to start off, Universal is powered by MyBMR. It's a company that's been helping businesses thrive for over 2 decades. Now, with a legacy of smart technology, reliable service, and deep industry experience, MyBMR is behind tools like Universal Invoices, designed to simplify billing, automate follow-ups, and connect seamlessly with your CRM and POS. It's all about smarter billing and stronger cash flow, and that's what we're here for. Universal isn't a standalone tool, or isn't just a standalone tool. It's a part of powerful connected ecosystem from MyBMR. Now, whether you're using piggy bank POS for retail, GPS for payments, or Service Pro 911 for field service, Universal is already working for you behind the scenes. Now, here's the best part. Every user of this application is automatically onboarded with Tier 1 of Universal for free. That means you already have access to our cloud dashboard with CRM, invoicing, customer tracking, and more. No extra cost and no separate setup. It's all integrated, streamlined, and ready to go, helping you manage your entire business from one place. Now, Universal isn't just about invoices. Well, it's your complete business hub. You can manage over 100 connected applications from one simple platform. No need to jump between tools. Our users save more than 30,000 a year by consolidating softwares and cutting unnecessary subscriptions. You also get clear real-time analytics, no complicated reports, just actionable insights. And of course, if ever you need help, our team of trusted experts is here with personalized guidance. Now, with Universal, you're not just getting a tool, you're getting a full system designed to help you grow. Now, let's be real. Switching between spreadsheets, email, and applications just to get paid is full-time job. Well, Universal gives you one place to do all of this faster and with zero guesswork. Now, we want to get paid on time, of course, look professional, and save hours. Now, we built Universal to do exactly that. Custom invoices, CRM, reminders, real-time reporting. It's all included. Other platforms have gaps. Well, no automations, limited branding, poor integrations. But with Universal, you're patching things together in just and it just works. Now, we have prepared some of the invoicing softwares that's known in the market. And we just gave, or we will be giving you some of the comparisons that we have with the Universal. Let's start off with Square. So Square is okay for basic needs, but not for a full branding integration. Now, our integrations are serious follow-ups. Now, Universal gives you control. Pay invoicing, yes, it is, but with limited templates, no real times, no real CRM, and of course, no automation. It is not built to scale Universal. Quick doing complex and you just need fast indefinitely. Now, one-click invoices, payment links, reminders, dashboard, old way, more faster, and this is definitely way easier. Universal keeps everything in sync. Invoices, payments, customer data, no double entry and no mistakes. Or accurate, exactly why Universal invoice creation is fast. You can in recurring. Need reminder that those built into automatic emails or SMS to reduce late payments. You also get full customization. Add your logo, brand colors, and design the invoice your way. Now, it also connects seamlessly with your CRM, Clover, and accounting tools, so you never have to enter the same information twice. Want to get paid faster? Just add a secure one-click payment link. And of course, yes, you can bill globally with full support, fees and taxes right off the box. Now, that's a smarter invoicing all in one place. Don't you all agree? Now, let's go and make it like how easy it is to create and send invoices. Go ahead, Mark.
All right, thank you. And by the way, good afternoon, guys. Let me just go ahead and share my screen first. Hold on. And there you have it. Can you all please confirm if you can see my screen now? I
Yes, we
assume
do.
that you're seeing my screen. All right,
Yes,
thank you.
yes.
All right, so from the dashboard itself, in order for us to go to the, in order for us to create an invoice, all we need to do is to click this sales panel, sale tab, and then you can see here the create invoice. Let's go ahead and have this. And now we can go ahead and create a new invoice. But before that, we have here some button. You can go ahead and print your invoice. You can also preview the invoice. We can also select a different template for the invoice. Here you go. We have 10 templates ready for you. And we also have your settings for payment reminder to your customer and as well as for you as a merchant. First step is to select the customer. Let me just go ahead and have my account here. Okay. And now we can go ahead and have this. We can reassign this to a different employee if you'd like to. Say, for example, let's have it for Cherry. And you can see here that there's a new customer. When you click this, you can add a new customer here directly, which you just need to assign it to an employee, add their first name, last name, and of course, this is very important, the email address and the phone number. Because when every time that you create an invoice, the system will automatically send a notification directly to your customer's email address and to their phone number. Okay, so we have here billing and shipping. Third is for invoice details, if it's a single invoice or recurring invoice. For recurring invoice, you have here the option for on how many intervals does it need to be sent, if it's every day, 7 days, every 15 days, and so on. And you can also put here the end date of the recurring invoice, as well as for on how many currents that does it need to be sent to your customer. But let's go ahead and do for a single invoicing. Now, next step is to select an item or to select a service. Say, for example, let's have for a ring. Go. Let's choose this diamond ring. All right. it will automatically have a new line here. If you need to remove this, just click this bin icon here and it will be removed. Now we already have the rate here, but if you're having the variable priced item, you just need to simply put here the amount. Okay. We also have here the discounts. If you'd like to put a discount, you can go ahead and select here. But if you'd like to add a new discount, just click the add button here, and it will allow you to add a new discount. Now, if you'd like to add tax for this item, just simply click this icon, this checkbox here, and then click the drop down. Now you can go ahead and select for a new tax. You can also add a new tax here as well. Say, for example, let's add 3.50% tax. Okay. And you can also put here a message on the invoice, as well as for a specific message, the terms and condition, the cancellation return policy, as well as for documents and images, you can also attach and take a snapshot as well. For the order summary, you can see here the item total and also for the taxes and the subtotal amount. Now, if you'd like to preview it first before you can send it to your customer, you can do so. Just click the preview and it will allow you to see on how does your customer will see it on their end. You can see that here's your company logo, your company details, the invoice details, as well as for the customer details, and the item or the service details, the charges, the terms and condition, the cancellation return policy, the status, and also this option for pay now. This is an option for your customer to process a payment on their end, which they just need to enter their card details. Okay, let's close this and let's go ahead and save and send to your customer. And there you have it. That's how easy it is. Now, if you'd like to have an in-depth training on this, you can go ahead and contact us at 305-398-7571 or send us an email at help@mybmr.com. I'll be giving back the mic to Cherry.
All right. Thank you so much, Mark. Really appreciate it. Okay, so let me go ahead and present or show you guys my screen. Okay. Please let me know if you see my screen now. Do?
Yes.
Yes, thank you. Now that you've seen what Universell Invoice can do, let's look at how it's actually changing businesses. This next section is all about real results. We'll walk you through success stories from clients who turned their invoicing chaos into smooth, reliable cash flow. Now, if you've ever spent hours chasing payments or juggling tools, you'll definitely relate. Now, let's dive in and see what happens when invoicing works for you, not against you. Now, let's first look at Spark Digital Agency. Now, before Universell, they were dealing with late payments and scattered records. Now, after switching, they created branded invoices, used built-in SMS and email reminders, and also synced everything with their CRM. And as a result, 30% faster cash flow and stronger post-payment follow-ups that brought most of their clients back. Now, moving on to ClearPoint Advisors. Well, they had a problem. Manual billing, no reminders, and zero visibility. With Universell, they instantly send invoices. Clients are able to get automatic alerts, and they can also see everything in one live dashboard. They're now getting paid 60% faster and loving it. Don't you want that too? Now, moving on, Beacon Legal. Well, they saw similar gains. They able to cut invoice turnaround by 30%. It reduced admin work and also improved their client satisfaction. All because of fast invoicing, automations, and simple tracking, as their finance director actually shared to us. It's fast, reliable, and has made managing client accounts so much easier. Now, Universal goes way beyond invoicing. If you're in retail, well, manage real-time inventory and run smart reports. If you're in salons and spas, automate your bookings and reduce no-shows. And for those in field services, Just send mobile invoices and follow-ups on site. Whatever your business is, we've built tools for it, all in one place. Now, your POS or your point of sale devices shouldn't just take payments. It should run your business. Universal brings inventory tools, real-time data, 100 plus integrated applications, and zero learning curve interface. It also syncs everything, shows you what's working, and saves hours every week. Now, Universal is designed to fit your business, no matter the sizes. Now, starting with our basic plan. It's free and perfect for solo entrepreneurs or new businesses. Now, step up to our advanced, greater small team for greater and small teams with more clients and more automations. And for those growing businesses, our premium plan unlocks everything: full CRM, multiple users, and complete billing power. All plans sync with your tools and scale as you grow. Very simple, transparent, and definitely powerful. Now, you know what? This May, we've got a special bonus for you. Now, get a 30 days of full access to Universal completely free. That means all the features, expert supports, and no setup fees. This is your chance to try everything risk free and see how fast your business can move when invoicing finally works the way that it should. We're almost at the end, but before we wrap up, let's go ahead and hear it from you. If there's anything you're wondering about, features, pricing, or how Universal fits into your current setup, now is the time. Drop your questions in the chat and Mark and I will answer them for you. Is there any questions? Okay, well, that's a good question, Katya. What is the price? Well, for our Universal, we have three pricing options. So it starts with $19.95 for our basic plan. We have $49 for our advance and $199 for our premium plan, which gives you everything. But again, to let you guys know or remind everyone, we are giving you a 30-day free trial. So it means you can take advantage of our Universal with no extra charge and no risk free. So go ahead and take advantage of it for this month, May only. Any more questions?
No, thank you.
All right. Thank you so much as well. Now, thank you everyone for spending your time with us. We know how busy you are and we really appreciate you joining us today. Now, if you're ready to make invoicing simple and start getting paid faster, just visit our website, universal.us, or scan the QR code that you see on your screen to request your personal demonstration. Now, if you also want, you can reach us at help@mybmr.com, or you can give us a call at 305-398-7571. Once again, thank you so much, everybody, and we really appreciate you joining us, and we're looking forward to hearing from you very, very soon. Again, thank you. Have a wonderful day.